Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home deep fryers to find the absolute best option for crispy, delicious treats right in your kitchen. From golden fries to crunchy chicken, we'll explore features, performance, and more to help you make the perfect choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for all things culinary. Number 1. T-fal Compact Easy Clean Stainless Steel Deep Fryer with Basket. This sleek kitchen companion boasts a generous 1.8-liter oil capacity and can handle up to 1.7 pounds of food with ease, thanks to its powerful 1,200 watts. But what truly sets it apart is its hassle-free maintenance. With easy clean features, temperature control, and innovative oil filtration, cleanup is a breeze. Plus, dishwasher-safe parts make it even more convenient. Whether you're frying up crispy favorites or experimenting with new recipes, this fryer is a must-have for any kitchen. Enjoy delicious results without the mess, courtesy of T-fal. Number 2. Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer with Basket Strainer, a culinary powerhouse ready to elevate your frying game. This XL jumbo-size fryer boasts adjustable temperature and timer settings, ensuring precision and perfect results every time. From crispy fried chicken to succulent shrimp, golden French fries to crunchy chips, this fryer does it all with ease. Its removable oil container simplifies cleanup, while the stainless steel construction promises durability and style for your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cooking enthusiast, the Chefman Deep Fryer delivers unmatched performance and versatility, making it a must-have for anyone craving delicious, crispy delights. Say goodbye to bland meals and hello to crispy perfection with the Chefman Deep Fryer. Number 3. Vivahome's 110V 20.7 QT Commercial Electric Deep Fryer with 2x6.35 QT removable baskets is a game-changer for any kitchen. Its spacious capacity and dual basket design make frying large batches a breeze. The overheat protection feature ensures safety, giving you peace of mind while cooking. The removable baskets make cleanup effortless, saving you valuable time. Whether you're hosting a party or running a restaurant, this fryer delivers consistent, crispy results every time. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a standout addition to any cooking space. With Vivahome's Deep Fryer, elevate your culinary experience and impress your guests or customers with delicious fried dishes. It's a must-have for anyone serious about frying perfection. Number 4. Cuisinart's 4-quart Deep Fryer is a game-changer for any kitchen. With its sleek design and spacious capacity, it's perfect for cooking up crispy delights for family gatherings or parties.
So
the adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. The large viewing window lets you keep an eye on your food without releasing heat, while the removable oil container makes cleanup a breeze. The cool touch handle adds an extra layer of safety, and the stainless steel construction ensures durability for years to come. Whether you're frying up French fries, chicken wings, or even donuts, the Cuisinart Deep Fryer delivers consistent results with ease. Say goodbye to greasy takeout and hello to homemade deliciousness with this must-have kitchen appliance. Number 5. Topkitch Electric Deep Fryer, a game-changer for your kitchen adventures. With its sleek stainless steel design, this fryer effortlessly blends into any home or restaurant setup. Boasting a generous 10-liter capacity, 10.5 quarts, it's perfect for whipping up batches of crispy delights for gatherings or family dinners. The included basket and lid make frying a breeze, while the 60-minute timer ensures precise cooking every time. Powered by 1,800 watts and compatible with 120V outlets, it delivers consistent results with efficiency. Whether you're craving homemade fries, crispy chicken, or delectable tempura, this countertop fryer has you covered. Say goodbye to soggy snacks and hello to golden perfection with the Topkitch Electric Deep Fryer. In conclusion, finding the best home deep fryer can elevate your culinary adventures to new heights. Whether you prioritize capacity, safety features, or versatility, there's a fryer out there tailored to your needs. With the right appliance, you can create crispy delights in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of top-notch fryers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more kitchen gadget reviews, and be sure to like and share this video with fellow food enthusiasts. Happy frying!